Have you ever thought why some business ideas from Japan turn into global trends while others stay hidden for years? There's a reason Japan keeps setting the pace for innovation. And it's not just about technology, it's about how they turn everyday problems into smart, profitable solutions. Right now, a quiet revolution is happening in Asia. From automated sushi makers to self-cleaning robots, new concepts are changing how people eat, work, and live. And here's the interesting part. Many of these machines still haven't reached other parts of the world. That means the window of opportunity is wide open for those who move first. In this video, I'll tell you about 15 Japanese machines and business models that are already generating millions across Asia, and how some of them could be adapted to your own city. Stay until the end, because the last few ideas are surprisingly simple to start and can be imported with very little investment. If you want more details about any of these machines, just comment, "I'm ready," and I'll share the full guide with you. This video is for educational and informational purposes only. We do not guarantee income or results. Success depends on individual effort, skills, and market conditions. Number 15. Machines for Japanese mochi ice cream. Soft, colorful, and irresistibly cute, mochi ice cream is one of Japan's sweetest innovations. This small dessert combines a chewy rice dough on the outside with creamy ice cream inside, creating a treat that's both fun and delicious. The machines for mochi ice cream automate the entire process, shaping the dough, filling it with ice cream, and sealing it perfectly in seconds. A compact machine costs around $2,500 to $8,000, depending on size and capacity. It can produce hundreds of units a day, ideal for cafes, dessert shops, or catering businesses. The demand is rising fast as people look for unique desserts that look great on social media and offer a new taste experience. Entrepreneurs can sell mochi ice cream through local stores, food trucks, or online delivery apps. With a production cost of only a few cents per piece and a selling price between $1 and $2, this business offers healthy profit margins while introducing a fresh, trendy product to the market. Number 14. Cleaning and maintenance robots. In Japan, robots aren't the future. They're part of daily life. From vacuuming floors to washing windows in tall buildings, these smart cleaning robots are transforming how maintenance is done. They work automatically, saving time and reducing the need for manual labor, which makes them a valuable asset for homes, offices, and commercial spaces. You can start with a small investment of around $500 for domestic robots or up to $10,000 for industrial versions. The opportunity is clear, especially in cities where cleanliness and efficiency are high priorities. Businesses, residential complexes, and even schools constantly look for reliable maintenance solutions. Promoting this service through social media videos showing the robot in action can attract immediate attention. Entrepreneurs can offer rental or subscription models to generate recurring income. With low operating costs and growing demand, this business can yield steady monthly profits while positioning you as part of the smart technology movement. And that's just one example of how technology and simplicity can turn into a smart business. Number 13. Coffee machines with automatic latte art. Everyone loves a good coffee, but in Japan, they've taken it to another level with automatic latte art machines. These devices print custom designs, logos, or even photos directly on the foam using edible ink. It's not just coffee anymore. It's a personalized experience customers love to share online. A machine typically costs between $1,500 and $3,000, and it's perfect for cafes, restaurants, or event services. The appeal is strong because it combines creativity, social media value, and great taste. Businesses can charge 30 to 50% more for personalized drinks, especially when used for corporate events or weddings. Marketing can be as simple as showcasing each creation on Instagram or TikTok. Every post becomes free advertising. With high visual impact and low product cost, this idea helps small cafes stand out and attract loyal customers, while generating consistent and enjoyable profits. If you are enjoying our ideas, make sure to hit the like button. It really helps the channel grow. We're aiming to reach 50,000 subscribers, and your support means everything to us. Let's back to the video. Number 12. Automatic ramen dispensers. Ramen is one of Japan's most loved foods, and now automatic ramen dispensers make it possible to serve it anywhere, anytime. These machines prepare and deliver a steaming bowl of ramen within minutes, ensuring consistency and convenience without needing a chef. The initial setup ranges from $2,000 to $8,000, depending on the model and features. Each bowl can sell for $3 to $6, making it both affordable for customers and profitable for the owner. The machines are ideal for universities, shopping centers, and high-traffic areas where people want hot, fast, and tasty meals. Promotion can focus on convenience and freshness, using local ads or social media clips of the machine serving ramen. Since they operate 24/7, they also save on labor costs. Even moderate sales can generate steady daily income, making it a smart business for anyone entering the food automation trend. Keep watching because each idea so far shows how Japan turns creativity into practical profit. Number 11. Vending machines for unusual products. Japan is famous for its creative vending machines that sell everything from umbrellas to flowers. These machines thrive because people value speed and accessibility. You can bring the same idea to your city with products people need but can't always find quickly. Modern vending machines cost between $1,000 and $5,000, depending on size and technology. Some include features like digital payments and remote inventory tracking. The opportunity lies in choosing the right product mix, such as phone chargers, healthy snacks, or travel accessories. Marketing starts with smart placement, putting machines in malls, transport hubs, or tourist zones. Adding eye-catching design and local branding helps attract attention. This business works 24 hours a day, earning passive income with minimal supervision. Profit margins vary by product but can be significant over time, especially as you expand to multiple machines in strategic spots. Number 10. Plastic bottle recycling machines. Sustainability is more than a trend in Japan, it's a lifestyle. Plastic bottle recycling machines turn waste into opportunity by crushing and processing bottles into reusable material. They can serve local communities, schools, or eco-focused companies looking to reduce their footprint. A machine costs between $2,000 and $6,000, and it can be installed in public areas, supermarkets, or near recycling centers. Each bottle processed can generate small returns through partnerships with recycling plants or municipal programs. The real profit comes from providing an eco-service with strong social value. Promotion should highlight the environmental impact and community benefit. Partnering with local governments or NGOs can increase visibility and trust. This business blends purpose with practicality, creating steady income while contributing to sustainability, a message that resonates deeply with modern consumers and investors alike. Number 9. Rest capsules. In Japan's busiest cities, people often need a quiet place to rest for a few hours. And that's where rest capsules come in. These compact sleeping pods offer privacy, comfort, and safety in a small space designed for short stays. Each capsule includes a bed, lighting, and ventilation, giving users everything they need to recharge. A single capsule costs around $2,500 to $6,000, making it accessible for small startups or property owners. The service targets travelers, students, and professionals who need a short rest without paying for a full hotel. The demand is growing in airports, bus stations, and universities where time and convenience matter most. Marketing can focus on comfort and accessibility, using local ads or digital booking platforms. Renting by the hour or day ensures a steady flow of users. With consistent occupancy, each capsule can generate solid daily income while offering a modern, efficient rest solution. If you're finding these business ideas inspiring, tap like and subscribe so you never miss real, research-based opportunities like these. Tell me in the comments which idea you'd try first. Your feedback helps shape the next video. Number 8. Smart greenhouses. Urban farming in Japan has reached a new level thanks to smart greenhouses. These automated systems control light, temperature, and humidity to grow vegetables and herbs year-round with minimal space and water. Setup costs range from $4,000 to $15,000, depending on the size and level of automation. They are perfect for urban entrepreneurs, restaurants, and eco-conscious consumers who value local and sustainable food. Since they produce fresh crops regardless of the season, the opportunity lies in reliable supply and premium quality. To market this business, entrepreneurs can partner with restaurants, organic stores, or farmers markets. Social media campaigns showing fresh, chemical-free harvests also attract health-conscious buyers. With low waste and high efficiency, the profits come from selling premium produce at fair prices. Over time, owners can expand by adding more units, turning a small urban space into a profitable, green microfarm. Number 7. 3D printers for ceramics. Technology meets art with 3D ceramic printers, one of Japan's most creative innovations. These machines use special clay-based material to design and print custom cups, plates, vases, and decorative pieces with precision and detail that traditional methods can't match. An entry-level printer costs between $2,000 and $7,000, depending on its size and capabilities. The growing market for personalized and handmade-looking products makes this a strong opportunity. People love unique home decor. Restaurants need custom tableware, and online shoppers are willing to pay more for original designs. Entrepreneurs can promote their creations through online marketplaces like Etsy or Instagram, showcasing the design process and final results. With a production cost of around $2 to $3 per piece and a selling price between $10 and $20, this business offers healthy margins while blending creativity with technology. It's a perfect model for artists, designers, or small business owners who value originality. Number 6. Charging stations for electric bicycles. With sustainable transport growing fast, electric bicycle charging stations are becoming essential in many cities. These compact units allow cyclists to recharge safely and quickly, helping promote cleaner mobility while generating consistent revenue. A charging station setup costs around $1,000 to $3,000, depending on its capacity and smart features. The target market includes bike rental companies, city commuters, and ecotourism businesses. As more people shift to electric bikes, the need for charging points continues to rise. Entrepreneurs can install stations in urban centers, tourist zones, or university areas. Partnering with local governments or cafes can also boost visibility. Income can come from small usage fees or memberships for regular users. Although the profits start modestly, the long-term potential is strong as the electric transport market expands. It's a forward-looking business that combines sustainability, convenience, and smart investment. Number 5. Ornamental fish farms. Japanese-style koi fish. Japan's love for beauty and balance is reflected in its ornamental koi fish farms. These vibrant fish symbolize prosperity and peace, making them highly valued for gardens, ponds, and decor. Starting a small koi breeding setup is not only visually appealing but also profitable with the right care and planning. The initial setup, including modular ponds and filtration systems, costs around $3,000 and up. Buyers include garden designers, collectors, and homeowners who appreciate the cultural and aesthetic value of koi fish. The demand is growing worldwide, especially among those seeking decorative outdoor features. Marketing can focus on quality and authenticity, using social media or local garden fairs to showcase the fish. By breeding healthy and colorful koi, each sale can bring solid margins while keeping operating costs low. Over time, scaling the pond system can turn this peaceful hobby into a sustainable, high-value niche business. Number 4. Automatic sushi machines. In Japan, automatic sushi machines have transformed how restaurants serve one of the country's most iconic dishes. These machines roll and cut sushi automatically, producing consistent, high-quality results in minutes without needing a trained chef. They make sushi preparation faster, cleaner, and more profitable for small food businesses. The investment starts at around $300 to $1,500, depending on size and capacity. Each roll costs less than $1 to make, yet can sell for $4 to $8, offering strong margins. The target market includes small restaurants, caterers, and food delivery services that want to add sushi to their menu without high labor costs. Marketing can highlight freshness and speed, promoting the idea of sushi made on demand. Demonstration videos or free tastings can attract loyal customers. With consistent quality and simple operation, this model allows entrepreneurs to start small and grow quickly, creating a profitable and scalable food venture. Number 3. Private karaoke booths. Music and entertainment are part of daily life in Japan, and private karaoke booths make singing more personal and enjoyable. These compact soundproof rooms let people sing alone or in small groups, offering privacy and professional quality sound in any location. Setting up a booth costs between $3,000 and $10,000, depending on size and technology. The target audience includes students, families, and groups of friends looking for safe, affordable entertainment. The opportunity is strong in cities with vibrant nightlife or high foot traffic. Booths can be placed in shopping malls, bars, or entertainment centers, and customers pay by the minute or hour. Promotions can use social media clips or themed nights to attract more visitors. With low staff needs and continuous daily use, private karaoke booths can generate steady recurring income while offering a fun and modern experience people love to share. Number 2. 24/7 automatic stores. Inspired by Japan's famous convenience stores, or konbini, this business runs automatic self-service shops that never close. Using vending modules and smart payment systems, these stores can sell snacks, drinks, and everyday essentials without staff. Initial investment ranges from $5,000 to $20,000, depending on store size and technology. The concept is perfect for busy urban areas, schools, or offices where people value round-the-clock access. The key advantage is operating continuously with minimal overhead, ensuring constant sales potential. Marketing should focus on convenience and accessibility, using digital screens or local ads to promote the store's location. Entrepreneurs can start with one small module and expand into a network of compact shops. Profit margins depend on sales volume, but consistent traffic can bring daily passive income and strong scalability. It's a modern retail model built for today's fast-paced lifestyle. Number 1. Textile stamping machines in minutes. Personalization is in high demand, and textile stamping machines bring instant customization to life. These compact printers can decorate t-shirts, caps, or bags on the spot, producing professional quality designs within minutes. A machine costs between $1,000 and $4,000, depending on print quality and size. The demand is strong among students, event organizers, and small fashion brands who value quick, made-to-order products. Because customers can watch their item being created, it also becomes a fun, engaging experience. Marketing can focus on live printing at fairs, malls, or universities, where people love instant gratification. Entrepreneurs can also take custom orders online and print on demand. Production costs are low, and each printed item can yield 40 to 60% profit margins. This business combines creativity and speed, making it a perfect entry point for anyone wanting to start a small but innovative venture. Every one of these Japanese business ideas shows how innovation can solve simple, everyday problems in smarter ways. Whether it's food, technology, or sustainability, the real opportunity lies in learning how to adapt these ideas to your own market and starting small with purpose. Remember, success doesn't come from copying trends. It comes from recognizing value before everyone else does. If even one of these concepts inspired you today, take a moment to research it, plan carefully, and move one step closer to your goal. Don't forget to subscribe for more practical business insights, and check the video description for helpful links and guides to get started safely and confidently.